Hey everyone, Marty here from the big metropolis of Lake Killarney, Nova Scotia. Got a pretty busy day around here this week. We've had maybe 2 cars and a truck go by today, I think, so it's been a busy time. What I wanted to show you was our little project I did on our YAMAHA Wolverine X2 1000. So we'll have a look at that. So here's a quick look at side by side. Nice little machine. We just had the soft cab put onto it there this fall. We did find out rather quick that when you put a cab on, you need a heater because the windows fog up really good. So just a quick look at the cab. Goes on. Not real impressed with the zipper. It seals up nice, but doesn't seem to be the greatest zipper in the world. So I'm not sure how long that's going to last, but for now it's working good. We'll see. So what I wanted to show you was our little heater system we put in to keep the windows from fogging up and keep ourselves a little bit toasty. So we put in a UTV Diesel Heater. And actually this wound up to be a spare one, because what happened was we ordered one in the spring for our greenhouse and it came damaged. And kudos to UTV, took a couple weeks, but they sent us a brand new unit with all the accessories and everything. So I took the damaged one and I put it back together with a little bit of glue and some tie wraps, and we've got it working here now. So I'll just give you a quick look at that. There we've got the battery in the back, and we've got the fuel tank, and in here we've got the heater itself. As you can hear, it's been running for maybe 5 or 10 minutes now, and we got the little fuel pump in there. Anyway, we've been running this for a little while. I don't know, maybe a month now, and it seems to be working really good. So our project is that we want to do someday maybe is to, let's go on the inside here, have a look, is to put that diesel heater up in there someday. We're thinking of, if everything works out good. So you can certainly see how we've got that going up there with our ductwork. Comes through there and blowing down on the windows, and it's working really good. So it's about -2 or 3 outside, and in the cab here now, if you can see it here, it's sitting at 60 degrees Fahrenheit, so that's pretty good, nice and warm. So anyway, we're going to go for a drive and let her run, see how it does. Seems to do pretty good over the bumps. We'll find out. All right, so we're going to get underway, see how we make out here. I'm going to try to keep this camera steady. I'm going to have to upgrade that system, I think, if I want to do these videos. This is my first ever video. I was talking with Mitch, got 506 side by side. Thought I'd try to get into it, see what we could do. So we're gonna go for a little drive here and see what happens. The diesel heater's warming up, so we're up to 62 degrees there now. And we're just gonna go for a ride around. The dogs are coming with us. We're gonna take them for a bit of a ride. Go for a walk. Here in one of our fields, driving along. Our heat's getting good. We're up to around 69. We're up to 70 there now. Soon it's going to be time to turn that heater down to get pretty toasty in here. So it is working pretty good. I guess if you're looking for cheap heat for your side-by-side, right at this point, I would recommend the diesel heater. Taking up a bit of space in my bed. It all works out, and you move it up inside the cab, it'll heat better and give me more room. down here, turn that heater down, and carry on. So anyway, hope this helps somebody. Maybe they were thinking about doing this. I would recommend it. Works good.